What does 1949.46 become when we round it? Let's find out. To round to the nearest whole number, look at the 10th digit. 4 is less than 5, so we round down to 1949. Round 0.00746 to 2 decimal places. The third decimal digit is 7, 5 or more, so we round up to 0.01. Exam tip: trailing zeros matter in decimal place rounding. Write 3.50, not 3.5, but for whole numbers just write 4. Remember, 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. That's all you need for rounding. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.